Welcome. In front of me is an Oscal C20 Pro, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this phone. To get started, you will want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, locate the power saving mode, which for me is located on a second page right over here. Once you see it, you can simply tap on it. This will give you a pop-up letting you know that the battery saver will do things like turn on dark theme, turn off or restrict background activities, some visual effects, and other features like Hey Google. So we're going to click on it. Also lowers down the brightness, which it didn't mention. So there we go. Once you're done with the power saving mode, you can turn it off by finding the toggle once more and tapping on it once again, and this will revert all the changes. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.